If you love sports, storytelling, and the rush of live moments, becoming a sports broadcaster might be your lane. Today, I'm walking you through exactly how to get there. No fluff, just a practical roadmap and real-world examples. We'll cover education, training, the step-by-step path, what the lifestyle really looks like, and the future of the profession. Start with education. Many sports broadcasters study journalism, communications, media studies, or broadcast production. A bachelor's degree helps, though it's not the only route. Courses in media law, audio production, sports analytics, and public speaking are huge. Certifications in voice coaching or audio engineering can make you stand out. Experience matters more than titles. Student media, community radio, streaming your own play-by-play. These reps count. Many pros started calling high school games. There's usually no hard minimum age beyond legal work standards, and no special license in most regions. Employers do background checks. A criminal record doesn't automatically disqualify you. Context, honesty, and growth matter. Competitive traits, strong voice control, quick recall, sports IQ, on-camera comfort, writing speed, calm under pressure, and relentless curiosity. Here's the path. Step 1. Reps. Call games. Any level you can. Record, listen back, refine. Step 2. Build a reel. 2 to 4 minutes. Open strong. Include play-by-play, color analysis, stand-ups, interviews. Step 3. Internships and small markets. Local stations, minor league teams, college athletic departments. You'll do a bit of everything, and that's the point. Step 4. Live reps, feedback loop. Shadow a producer, ask for critiques, iterate. The fastest growth happens on air and under guidance. Step 5. Outreach. Send your reel, resume, and a targeted note to sports directors and team comms leads. Follow up professionally. Timeline? 6 to 18 months for many to land paid roles. Faster if you're obsessive about reps and feedback. Common mistakes: rambling, weak audio, cluttered reels, not knowing names, and failing to prepare storylines beyond the stats. Best suited personalities: curious storytellers, high-energy communicators, and team players who thrive under live pressure. Entry roles include production assistant, board op, digital host, or sideline reporter. You can move into play-by-play, analyst, studio host, then lead talent. Pay varies widely. Small markets might start modest. Major networks and pro teams pay significantly more. Benefits and travel improve with seniority. Lifestyle, nights, weekends, and travel. It's thrilling, but you'll miss some holidays. If that excites you, you're in the right place. Live means live. No safety net. You'll juggle names, stats, sponsor reads, and breaking news in seconds. Physical and mental demands, vocal endurance, steady breathing, and focus. Warm up your voice like an athlete warms up their body. Stress spikes when games turn chaotic. Professionals narrate calmly, verify facts, and respect the moment. Burnout risk is real. Build recovery, hydration, sleep, exercise, and off-camera days for research and prep. Job stability? It fluctuates with rights deals, ratings, and budgets. Versatility, play-by-play, hosting, digital, protects your career. Pros, front row access to history, turning passion into income, creative storytelling, and a network of athletes, coaches, and producers. Cons, high competition, heavy travel, irregular hours, public scrutiny, and the constant need to prepare. If on-air isn't a fit, adjacent careers thrive. Producing, editing, podcast hosting, social video, team communications, PA announcing, and data analytics. Employers range from local stations and regional sports networks to leagues, streaming platforms, universities, and minor league clubs. Study toolkit, broadcast writing guides, sports-specific rulebooks, voice training courses, and film breakdown channels. Practice daily reads. Network smart. Volunteer at events. DM with value. Attend clinics and follow up with clips. Relationships unlock reps. Interview tip: Call a full play, clean and concise, then analyze one sequence in 30 seconds. Show clarity and cadence. Red flags: mispronouncing names, weak audio, late edits, ignoring feedback, and not preparing storylines beyond stats. Fast track: stream local games and cut your own highlights. You'll build a reel and audience fast if your audio and pacing are strong. Start a niche podcast, one league, one team, or one position group. Consistency is currency. Shortcuts trade structure for speed. You get reps now, but less mentorship and more DIY. Balance with feedback. Tell me in the comments, which fast track fits you? Streaming, podcasting, or small market internships? I read every reply. The future is hybrid. On-air talent who write, produce, and own digital platforms. Data and telestration will level up storytelling. Remote workflows are standard. Learn home studio audio, latency management, and backup internet. AI will speed prep, pronunciation, and clip logging. Your edge stays human. Context, empathy, and big moment judgment. Starting your own shop? You'll need a niche, business basics, a sales deck, rate card, and insurance. Start lean. Staff roles offer stability, mentors, and benefits. Independence offers control, multiple clients, and income volatility. Pros of entrepreneurship: speed, ownership, brand equity. Cons: sales cycles, cash flow, and doing 10 jobs at once. Case study: Maya started calling high school soccer on a $40 mic. She posted weekly reels, annotated tactics, and asked coaches for feedback. Within 8 months, a small station hired her to host a digital pregame show. She still streams side projects to stay sharp. A day in the life, morning prep and pronunciations, midday rehearsal and graphics checks, then game time. Trust your prep and ride the flow. Real problems: a star sits late. You pivot, reset storylines, update stats, and frame what it means for strategy and fans. Boil it down: reps every week, a sharp 2-minute reel, and genuine relationships. That trifecta moves careers. If this helped, hit like so more future broadcasters find it. Comment what sport you want to call, and subscribe for deep dives and live reel reviews. Keep your mic warm, your notes tighter, and your curiosity endless. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the booth. Special shout out to other great podcasts like WDFIYP, Where To Next podcast, and a Harbor Hustle podcast.